Well, if I talk a me, but Jaden Chase, they have to make the fans them know how I really are going. Yeah, man, move settings, viewers and subscribers, and we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, we no find the Gaza Station. Welcome to the channel, Jaden Chase, and yes, we are bringing another new and exciting reasoning on the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you now for click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and for also leave a like, a comment, and yes, bust a share on the blog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, we didn't have to talk about this because some little man are confused greatness with fakeness. Now, Bounty Killa say in this time of pandemic, we still find something that brings joy to our hearts. Love conquers all. If Vybz Kartel and Bounty Killa can put differences aside, I want to some little man. A time for the business rich again. Thousands of youth out there not bust yet, and it's only one way up or out, and that is together. War. Who it a benefit? Who no want unite? Eventually gonna get pushed out. Simple is one fight, and that's fighting for the music. Any other fight, then you are fight against music. Simple. It will him say fighting, but you know the something go. Now, viewers and subscribers, it definitely puts certain things into focus. Vybz kartel statement is definitely being celebrated worldwide. And now let's look at it. What has been the contribution of these other artists except bad mind, don't play, and overall negativity? I'm telling you this. It's when an artist can do good, when Vybz kartel song can sell gold, when him can be behind the bars and albums being released will still go up on the Billboard charts, and people try for downplay that, they are basically downplaying dancehall achievement. The teacher have a right to say when you call my name, a dancehall you call. Some people might not like the statement, just because them would rather be the man. But the fact is that teacher put out the work. Teacher sang them atop the charts. Teacher continue to influence. We hear Buju say, the only artist we can elevate dancehall music, we know where they. That is a very profound statement within itself, viewers and subscribers. The teacher has proven who is the bigger man. That's why Bounty say, I want to some little man. A time for the business rich again. Even more. Somebody expect more, viewers and subscribers. We have younger artists around him for show him say, yo, this is not the way. You know? When Mov himself was brought to prominence, it was in a conglomerate settings. It was in alliance deals. It was the fact that Bounty and the fact that I'm pre-unit in the music, and they must say, yo, artists and artists for link up with producers, and it will be one big dancehall family. I saw Mother get the boss. Someone say, oh, him not show that aspect there to youth them when they're rounding. Bounty has another way that, and him say eventually some of them artists here are gonna get pushed out of the dancehall scene. And a long time Vybz kartel viewers and subscribers could have dropped the tracks for rub them out of dancehall. But the boss said no, we allow them. We are make the fans show them say no, that is not the way. And for most of these dancehall artists who choose not to put out the work and rather to make the talk them on social media and act like say, oh, them are their music should be considered as good or in the same line or mentioned in the same sentence as the teacher's songs. When them songs lack creativity, lack basic cadence, lack some basic things. Some of them songs they even mix and master properly. But them want to consider them as the greats. We see them mix song and say, oh, them are the goat. I don't know what kind of goat. Because they are neither the greatest of all time, nor actual goat. So I don't know what them really are talking about, viewers and subscribers. But one thing I can say, this statement definitely put all other artists on blast. And I show them say, yo, one thing for sure though. Despite all of your singular achievements, yeah, you might have a hit song there. You might get booked for a big show and your performance was a good performance and it was celebrated. Without unity in the dancehall music, the music cannot move forward as a genre. Because when they can have the king of the dancehall, I put out the work. And you have other artists even want to claim the crown, the throne, claim the title, knowing said the fans have not crowned them as such. And when they can have even promoters promoting shows where I say, yo, them are going to crown a king, knowing that the king is currently where he is. No! Them for a lobby for him release. What kind of crowning ceremony? Them for a lobby for the release of the king. Or them for a talk about them are going to crown other artists. Must see them put up a list of artists. None of them say these are artists being considered for the crowning. I'm going to see the picture of the actual king. What them really are trying to say to me? What are they really trying to say? Well, Bounty, a dancehall legend, a dancehall icon, has spoken. What them are going to say now? Them only response should be putting out good music. Cannot chattings not going to save them, yes sir. Because the Bounty attack a fact. What Bounty is saying is the reality of what we are seeing in a dancehall music right now. Instead of putting out music we're going to live on. Because Bounty have some track where make before I'm born. And when I listen to them, I still say, yo, them singing. Them singing a normal song. We do what we do, so we got to survive. Though it seems hopeless. We still also around town. I will live to come see that mentality still persevering right now. Even in the current situation right now where the situation seems hopeless. Bounty said we still find some things to bring joy to our heart because the statement and even the reply was emotional, heartfelt. The entire dancehall industry, the entire music industry. I say, yo, as a matter of fact, a major tabloid locally put it on the front page. I said, this is something the people have to see. They have to read about this. If you never did hear, you have to hear. No. In reality, but definitely have to say big up the teacher. Definitely proving who is the bigger man. And Bounty acknowledging that. And what we can say to Vybz Kartel is definitely Bounty say a statement. Him say, one of my greatest achievements in a dancehall music was to bring Vybz Kartel to prominence. And I agree with the statement. I'm Bounty put a whole heap of big hit songs. And Bounty know this. Bounty have him gold plaque like any other artist. Yeah man. He have him gold plaques like any other artist. But him say yo, bringing Vybz Kartel to prominence was definitely one of his biggest contributions to the dancehall genre. And in reality, the impact that Vybz Kartel has had on the music industry. And as a matter of fact on society. Because even right now, you have cosmetic braces around the streets. Which artists we can say bring braces? You know what I mean? To the point where people want wear braces even though them not seek for do nothing to them teeth. Just for the fashion. Vybz Kartel do that. The teacher say clocks and the price go up and go back down. From them time they till now. That no man, him say even the toothbrush start sell different. Extra. Yeah man, cause people have a toothbrush for domestic use and you also have a toothbrush for your clocks. You hear what? The teacher, definitely the impact that he has had on the dancehall and the music space is definitely immense. And in my point to the fact say, yo, Bounty, and definitely Einstein, the genius, was he say, alright, an artist like this would that be a game changer to dancehall music to help push the envelope? Because some people don't realize this. It's not every artist in the game just for the money. After you have achieved success, you build a house for you, mama, you them taking care of, money in the bank, you drive a nice vehicle and things like that, and you still have the music, you start to get the true vision and start to pray, oh, this can be beneficial to thousands of other individuals, not just yourself. And you start to pray, oh, you can make this bigger than what you see it as right now. And Bounty was definitely a visionary in that sense. That's why I'm create the alliance and help out so much other artists. Him know say, even though Ellie did a deal with dancing music, him know say that was a part of dancehall and it was something to be showcased. So what? Ellie was a member of the alliance as well. Alongside other artists who are singing the whole heap of different aspects of the music or different forms of social commentary. But him realize that yo, the music industry needs that level of diversity. And the same thing with the teacher. Even when him start Portmore Empire, the style and the sound from everybody was different. And he make sure of that. showing diversity at its finest. Big up Bounty. Yeah, man. And big up Vybz Kartel, of course. The modern day dancehall dada. You know the something go. Bye to the one called Jaden Chase, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative. And I'm reminding you now, if you're new to the channel, new to the movement, just a pass through, but you like the reason, and of course you like the point of view, well, I am suggesting that you click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon right after that and put it on all. And this way you'll be notified of all fresh content. As soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform. The like icon there too. So if I like, we drop a like on the vlog. In truth, the share icon is also there as well. You can tell a friend, tell them sister and them brother them for check out the channel. Check out the reason, join the discussion. The comment section is always open 24/7, never lock yet. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. Other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments and your opinions there. Move settings fam, and we don't need no ladder. And my sentiments for you and yours, I wanna live, love and prosper until we reason again.